Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix high RAM usage on Windows 10, 11 in just minutes. First, open Settings, System Clipboard. Turn off clipboard history and click Clear. Then go to Notifications and Actions and disable unnecessary notifications. Next, disable memory compression. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type get mmagent and check memory compression. If it shows true, run disable mmagent memory compression, then check again. Now use a RAM optimizer like Wise Memory Optimizer. Install it, open it, and click Optimize to instantly free memory. Next, open Registry Editor. Go to the path in the description. Set Clear Page File at Shutdown Eagle 1, Disable Paging Executive EAL 1, Large System Cache EAL 1, then go to the second path and set Start EAL 4 to disable NDU service. Now optimize Chrome. Open Chrome Settings, System, turn off background apps and notifications. Go to Performance and enable Memory Saver. Then type Chrome, flags, and enable Zero Copy Rasterizer and GPU Rasterization, then relaunch. Next, increase virtual memory, search Advanced System Settings, go to Performance, Advanced Virtual Memory, disable Auto, set Custom Size, Initial ex RAM MB, Max ex 2x RAM, then restart. Now disable background apps. Search background apps and turn off unused apps. Open Task Manager. Startup tab and disable unnecessary startup apps. Finally, open Services. Disable sysmain, Connected User Experiences, Windows Search, Diagnostics Tracking Service, restart your PC. These steps will reduce RAM usage and improve performance instantly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.